Hi everyone, this is Maverick Paul, the chemistry guru. Now in this video, we want to discuss the suggested solution for 2020 A-Levels H2 Chemistry Paper 1, Question 2. So let's take a look at Question 2. The use of the data booklet is relevant to this question. The table shows the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th ionization energy of an element in the third period. So the ionization energies are given. Which element has this ionization energy values? So option A is phosphorus, which is in group 15. B is sulfur, which is in group 16. C is chlorine, which is in group 17. And D is argon, which is in group 18. So of course this topic again is under atomic structure. And what we want to keep in mind in terms of the concept is this idea that when there's a big change in ionization energy, it will correspond to a change in the principal quantum shell. Actually, this question just focuses on this very simple idea. So let's take a look at the ionization energy. Of course, if you were to refer to the data booklet, because the question asks us that I can use the data booklet that is relevant, right, to this question. But if you look at the ionization energy values in the data booklet, we only have up to 4th ionization energy. We actually cannot really squeeze any information from the data booklet involving the ionization energies. So what we will have to do is we actually do need to deduce this on our own, and we have to determine which group this unknown element is in. So you notice what we have is we can work out the difference or the increase in the ionization energy as I move from 5th IE, 6th IE, and so on. So you notice the difference between 5th ionization energy and ionization energy number 6 is about 1000 plus, right? 1006. The difference between ionization energy number 6 and number 7 would be about 3200. Ionization energy number 7 to number 8 is about 2000. Number 8 to number 9, this is the most significant jump. This is 27,000. You notice for successive ionization energy, we always look out for a big change in ionization energy because it is linked directly to the change in the principal quantum shell. So you notice in this case, the most significant increase in ionization energy is between IE number 8 and IE number 9, 27,000 as compared to the rest of them. The rest of them is just like a few thousand. Then you notice there's a very big increase from ionization number 8 to ionization number 9. So what does it actually mean? So when we have a very big jump in ionization energy between the 8th and the 9th electron, it must mean that electron number 9 is much harder for me to remove as compared to electron number 8. And this will mean that electron number 9 must be from an inner filled principal quantum shell. And it will mean that electron number 8 must be from a valence shell. So usually what I like to do is when I handle this question, I will work out the difference. Once I notice there's a big jump in ionization energy, I will notice that, okay, this electron number 9, it is significantly harder to remove as compared to electron number 8. It must mean that electron number 9, it is an inner shell electron, and electron number 8, and to the left hand side, all these electrons are my valence electrons. Because if electron number 8 is from a valence shell, number 7, number 6, number 5, and so on, they must all be from valence shells, correct? So what this means is, now my element must have 8 valence electrons, because 8th electron is from the valence shell. So all the previous electrons that we remove, they're all from valence shell. So this guy here, it must have 8 valence electrons. So therefore, it must mean that it is in group 18, a noble gas. So if I come back to my options here, and of course I can run through the 4 possibilities. Phosphorus obviously is in group 15, sulfur is in group 16, chlorine is in group 17, argon is obviously in group 18. So I think probably the reason why the question says that the use of data booklet is relevant to this question, maybe they are referring to, okay, maybe we need to refer to the periodic table to decide which group all these guys are in. So in this case, obviously the only guy which can be in group 18 will be argon. So the answer to this question has to be option D. Alright, so that was the discussion involving question 2 for 2020 A-Levels H2 Chemistry Paper 1. So if you have learned something useful from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more weekly video lessons. That's all for now. I'll see you next week.